We asked ChatGPT about methods for managing lead-acid batteries. How to make lead-acid batteries last longer. The way to use lead-acid batteries for a long time is: if you follow these rules, you can extend the lifespan of the battery. Although it's only a very basic question, it still seems a bit difficult for ChatGPT to answer. First, you need to understand the performance characteristics of lead-acid batteries. The battery reaches its maximum design performance after going through a stabilization phase of about the first 50 to 100 cycles. However, after the maximum performance phase, the battery's performance will gradually decrease due to the processes of deterioration and aging. This means that no matter how well you manage and use them, when the charging and discharging process is repeated, it will form lead sulfate crystals that make the battery age faster and faster. So, what is the answer to the question about how to prolong the lifespan of batteries? Managing lead-acid batteries requires not only proper storage and charge-discharge pattern management, but also the removal of lead sulfate. That means, installing REVIVER will help remove the lead sulfate crystals, which other management methods cannot do. This will reduce the rate of aging of the lead-acid battery. REVIVER is an essential device to extend the lifespan and improve the performance of lead-acid batteries. How to use lead-acid batteries longer? REVIVER is the answer. Why replace? Let's REVIVER.